Ready to unlock a world of seamless communication and ditch those outdated, clunky systems? Let's jump into how Telnyx can revolutionize your business. First, head over to Telnyx.com and create an account. It's a straightforward process. Just follow the prompts to enter your information and verify your email address. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the Telnyx portal, your central hub for everything. Take a look around on the left. You'll see the main navigation menu. This is where you'll access all the core features. Let's start with voice. Click on voice, and you can configure everything from phone numbers to call routing. You can purchase numbers from all over the world and set up advanced call flows using their drag-and-drop call control builder. Next up is SMS. Sending and receiving text messages is just as easy. Head over to the SMS section to manage your messaging profiles and create new SMS applications. You can use webhooks to receive messages in real time. Now, for those who want more control, Telnyx offers a robust API. This allows you to deeply integrate Telnyx into your existing systems. You can find comprehensive API documentation on their website. And finally, don't forget to explore Telnyx's integrations. They connect with many popular CRM and communication platforms, making it easy to incorporate Telnyx into your existing workflows. That's a quick overview of the power of Telnyx. Start exploring to unlock the full potential. You can now manage your communications and optimize your workflows efficiently.